Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. Today I'm going to share with you another clinical case report of a single visit endodontic retreatment in mandibular second molar, which has C-shaped canal and refractory disease. So what is this refractory disease? It is a disease that is unmanageable, so stubborn, and still exists even after being treated by another operator. So in this particular case, this tooth has been treated by two different operators, but the symptoms still exist, the bone never regenerate, the pus still coming from the vestibule area, and so on. So the patient came to me, and then I did the endodontic retreatment in a single visit, and after 8 months follow up, we can see the bone regeneration exists to this particular case. So in this video, I also put a footage of how I managed to clean all of the C-shaped canals and also how to obturate the canal hermetically. So guys, I hope that this video is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. And if you have any other question, please send your question on the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram DM message, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. See you in my next clinical case video. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.